Looking for a secure, easy payment form integration for installed or cloud-based software? You'll find it with HostPay from OpenEdge. HostPay is a secure, hosted payment page supporting merchant-facing software, both installed and hosted software models, customer-focused web payments, supporting customer portals, retail e-commerce, and online ordering. Mobile optimization, featuring mobile support for EMV, swiped, point-to-point encrypted, and hand-keyed transactions. While many API integrations require developers to address issues such as payment device handling, user interface creation and maintenance, and card-on-file data management, the OpenEdge HostPay integration relieves you of most of this burden, allowing you to focus on your software instead of the complexities of a payment solution. OpenEdge HostPay is a handoff type of integration that won't tie up your development resources or require any additional software, getting your software to market faster with more value while saving you money. OpenEdge HostPay supports most software environments with a single integration, and it provides a customizable payment form that supports iframes and embedded browser controls. It can also serve as a standalone payment page. HostPay offers a unique set of features with decline minimizer, card on file, and recurring payments for both credit and debit cards, as well as ACH. It also supports both consumer and merchant-facing applications, including existing online consumer portals. The customer or clerk selects goods or services on the e-commerce site or point of sale. Then they select the payment option. The e-commerce site or point of sale embeds OpenEdge's secure payment form for collection of card data. The customer or clerk inputs the card data into the payment form. They receive payment confirmation on the e-commerce site or point of sale. At OpenEdge, we always make security our #1 priority. OpenEdge HostPay is a secure, robust integration that is pre-certified for EMV, taking developers' software applications out of scope for PADSS when properly implemented. OpenEdge HostPay encompasses our comprehensive security solution, Edge Shield, with fraud-reducing components including Token Vault, EMV, and encryption. With industry-leading security technology, OpenEdge HostPay assists developers in navigating the complex security and compliance landscape. Integrate to OpenEdge HostPay today. Offering greater security with an eye on the future, OpenEdge has the technology, developer resources, and the commitment to ensuring you a flexible, convenient path to integrated payments. Find out how we can increase your revenue and customer loyalty through OpenEdge HostPay. Call or click today.